Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Cadillac Escalade 2024. Begin by adjusting seat, steering wheel, and mirrors for comfort and clear sightlines. Learn where key controls live, like lights, wipers, and drive mode selector. Practice smooth acceleration with the large SUV feel and use gentle brakes to maintain comfort. I will guide you through parking, lane changes, and highway manners in a calm, step-by-step way. Turn on the Escalade using the push-button start while holding the brake, then select Drive. Ease into throttle to understand the vehicle's mass and twin power delivery. Manage steering input slowly and anticipate stops earlier than in smaller cars. Use drive modes to adjust response for city or highway travel. I will describe throttle control, engine braking, and tips for smooth lane changes that build confidence quickly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cabin crumbs vanish, and its smart mapping handles tight SUV interiors with ease. It's a handy add-on for anyone who spends time in a big vehicle and hates crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach parking with patience and use the rear camera and sensors to guide your turns precisely. When stopped on a hill, engage park and the electronic parking brake to secure the SUV. Practice parallel and reverse parking slowly to master the vehicle's length. Keep safety checks routine, including tire pressure and fluid levels, and always adjust mirrors after passengers enter. These habits keep you confident and the Escalade functioning well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.